Hello, myself Kalpana Chaudhary, Department of Chemistry, RBNB College, Srirampur. Today we are going to see the concept of enthalpy for atomic or molecular change from the topic chemical thermodynamics. Now let us see here first one, enthalpy of ionization. Now what is enthalpy of ionization? Enthalpy change accompanying when 1 mole of gas phase atom is converted into 1 mole of gas phase ion form, and that corresponding enthalpy is called as enthalpy of ionization. For example, consider sodium gaseous form atom. After oxidation, sodium forms Na plus gaseous atom, and here one electron is lost. Now in this case, whatever enthalpy change observed, that is found to be delta ion H is equal to 494 kilojoule per mole. Now what this means? This means when 1 mole of sodium gas that absorbs 494 kilojoule of heat, then that is get converted into its gas phase ion, and then here the enthalpy is said to be enthalpy of ionization. Now let us see the second type, electron gain enthalpy. Now let us see the example. For example, chlorine gas atom that gains electron, and here will get formation of Cl minus gaseous ion, and here the enthalpy is said to be electron gain enthalpy, because here chlorine gaseous atom that gains 1 electron to form Cl minus gaseous ion. So here this enthalpy is found to be minus 349 kilojoule per mole. Now here in case of electron gain enthalpy, why here the negative value is there for the delta H, or electron gain enthalpy is always negative. Why? Because here if we observe in periodic table, then here chlorine is the non-metal. Here whatever gaseous atoms are there, that should be neutral. That should be neutral, or that should be isolated. That should be neutral, or that should be isolated. Now in case of non-metals, the value of electron gain enthalpy is always negative, and that is more negative value. Now in the periodic table, if we go down the group, then here the atomic size increases because number of shells increases. Atomic size increases because number of shells increases, and also at the right hand side of the periodic table, that means in case of non-metals, if we go down the group, then metallic character also increases, and so the electron gain enthalpy value down the group, that is negative, but value is less. And here if we observe the electron gain enthalpy across the period, that means here in periodic table, if we move from left hand side to the right hand side, then non-metallic character increases, and here for non-metallic elements electron gain enthalpy is more negative, and so across the period that electron gain enthalpy is more negative. So here what should be the electron gain enthalpy? The electron gain enthalpy is defined as enthalpy change accompanying in which 1 mole of that neutral gaseous atom is converted into its 1 mole of gaseous anion to form that change in enthalpy, and that enthalpy is said to be electron gain enthalpy. Now let us see the next type, enthalpy of atomization. Now what is enthalpy of atomization? Enthalpy of atomization is defined as the enthalpy change accompanying when 1 mole of ionic substance is dissolved to form its ions in aqueous solution. That is called as enthalpy of atomization, or simply we can say that enthalpy of atomization is the enthalpy change accompanying when 1 mole of ionic substance is converted into its atoms. That enthalpy change is called as enthalpy of atomization. For example, consider NaCl solid that forms Na plus aqueous ion plus Cl minus aqueous ion, and here the enthalpy of atomization is observed to be plus 4 kilojoule per mole. Now here enthalpy of atomization, in this case what happens here? First here whatever that NaCl is present in the solid form, that is not directly converted into its aqueous ion form. First that is get converted into its gaseous ions. NaCl solid, first that is forms Na plus gaseous ion and Cl minus gaseous ion. That means here NaCl solid, that ionic substance is converted into gaseous ion form, and the corresponding enthalpy change is called as, here lattice enthalpy is observed. Lattice enthalpy is observed, and that is denoted by delta LH. Now here in the second step, whatever these gaseous ions are formed, they are get hydrated with water molecules. They are get hydrated with water molecules, and then they are converted into their aqueous ionic form. And here the corresponding enthalpy change is called as enthalpy of hydration. Now let us see actually what happens when NaCl solid, that is dissolved in water, then its ions in the gaseous form are formed. Na plus gaseous ion and Cl minus gaseous ion. Now here when that is added into water, that Na plus gaseous ion, that is having force of attraction with water molecule. On water molecule on the oxygen atom, negative dipole is present, and that negative dipole is attracted towards Na plus ion, and here that positive dipole is attracted towards Cl minus ion, and hence here enthalpy of hydration is there. And so we can say that for enthalpy of atomization, that is equal to lattice enthalpy plus enthalpy of hydration always, because here that atomization takes place in two steps. In the first step, first that gaseous ions are formed, then that gaseous ions are get converted into their aqueous form. And now let us see the next concept from this topic, that is thermochemistry. Now what is thermochemistry? It is the branch of chemistry that concerned with the release or absorption of energy during a chemical reaction. During a chemical reaction, now consider enthalpy of a chemical reaction. Enthalpy of a chemical reaction. For that, consider a general chemical equation. For example, A moles of A that combines with B moles of B to form C moles of C plus D moles of D. Then here enthalpy change for this chemical reaction, it is denoted by delta RH. R, that is for reaction. So enthalpy change for this chemical reaction is given by CHC plus small d HD minus AHA plus BHB. Now here what are these? C, small a, B, C, D, These are the number of moles of capital A, capital B, capital C and capital D respectively, where capital A and capital B are the reactants and capital C and capital D are the products formed in this chemical equation. Now here the delta H value for this reaction is C into HC. What is C? That is the number of moles of product C into HC, that means enthalpy of product C, plus D, that is the number of moles of product D into HD, that is enthalpy of product D, and its sum is there, and that is minus A, small a, that is number of moles of reactant A into its enthalpy HA, plus B, that is number of moles of reactant B into its enthalpy HB. So here simply we can write this equation: enthalpy change for chemical reaction is equal to, this is the summation of enthalpies of product. So here summation of enthalpies of product minus summation of enthalpies of reactants. Now here from this equation we can define what is enthalpy of chemical reaction. What is enthalpy of chemical reaction? Enthalpy of chemical reaction is defined as difference between sum of enthalpies of product and sum of enthalpies of the reactant, and here that reactants and products should be present in a particular or in a definite physical state, and the equation should be balanced with respect to their coefficients in the given chemical equation. Then that enthalpy change is called as enthalpy of chemical reaction. Thank you.